Hi, I'm Tom, and in this video I'm going to provide you a complete review of the Elementor Page Builder. So what is Elementor? Elementor is a tool that lets you build any type of page that you want, whether a sales page, a landing page, a video lesson page, a thank you for subscribing page, a blog page, and anything else. And it lets you build these web pages without editing a single line of code. Elementor is a page builder that was built by IT guys to let ordinary people without programming or coding experience create beautiful and mobile responsive web pages. So how does it work? There is one requirement for you to get started using the Elementor page builder. And that is you must have an active WordPress installation on your website. Elementor is a powerful WordPress plugin. Once you install it into your WordPress dashboard, you will get access to the Elementor panel. Then you will be able to create your own websites. So all you have to do is you go to Pages, Add New, add a title to your page, click on Publish, and publish again. And then once your page is published, click on Edit with Elementor. And in the Elementor panel, I am going to set it to start with a blank canvas. And then over here, we click on it and we can select different elements that we can click and drag onto the website. Now this is very useful for anyone who is not a programmer like me and who does not want to spend hours writing code, fixing code, and learning how to code. So this means that a beginner can simply load up the plugin and start building websites. However, you will have to get familiar with this panel first. But if you are already using WordPress, I would go as far as to say that using the Elementor page builder is approximately at the same difficulty level as WordPress. So you are all set to start creating your own pages. If you would like a live example of Elementor in action, I've created a tutorial in which I go from a blank canvas to a fully working landing page in about 10 minutes. If you take away my commentary, then it's even under 10 minutes. So you'll find the link to that video in the description below. Now I want to go over some of the features I like about the Elementor page builder. I have tried many different page builders in the past. Without going into any names, I would say that they were convenient and simple to use. I would select a template, update the content, and I had a landing page all set up. But these pages lacked customization options. The templates I was using looked good, but if my content was longer than the content in the template, then the pages just didn't work. For example, if I used a longer headline than the sample landing page headline in the template, then my website would look out of format. So this wasn't a solution for me. But Elementor is different. All the elements in Elementor are fully customizable. You can set the colors, the text type, the spacing, the position, the responsiveness, and much more. So even if you select an already made template and then add your own content, you can still tweak any element and make it look professional. Another great feature of Elementor is that you can start using it for free. So if you get the free plugin, all the premium features are locked. However, there are more than enough free features that allow you to build your own websites. As you can see over here, we have the basic features. Then we have the pro features over here, pro elements that you can click and drag. Then we have some general elements. These are accessible with the free plugin. And then we have some WordPress elements that you can also use in the free plugin. Now personally, I started using the free Elementor plugin to create simple click-through landing pages. These are simple niche pages that are focused on a particular product. I was promoting affiliate offers, and click-through landing pages were great for me because I was promoting the affiliate offer before the person actually saw the offer. Anyway, thanks to creating all of these click-through pages, I quickly got familiar with the Elementor page builder. I had landing pages that I was creating in under 10 minutes and tracking all the results. Later, I decided to buy the plugin because I required one essential premium feature. So why did I upgrade to the paid version? After using the Elementor page builder and getting familiar with the panel, I wanted to start building an email list. And one of the premium elements in the Elementor page builder is the form. We click it, drag it, and this is used for signing up people to your email list. It's easy to customize and it integrates with the most popular email autoresponders. So I can just delete the message, delete the name, and I have a simple form here. And actions after submit. In this part, I integrated with the most popular email services. So for this reason, I purchased Elementor. Now there are other benefits in the premium version. One of these, which I liked, was that I got access to a lot of pre-built professional landing page templates. And over here, you can browse through all of the templates that Elementor has to offer. Now, because I was using this, I wasn't starting with a blank canvas anymore, but an already built landing page. These templates are already designed for you, and all you need to do is add it, replace the content with your content, integrate it with an email autoresponder if you are building a list, and then click publish. This feature saved me a lot of time, because I wasn't starting with a blank canvas anymore, but an already built landing page. I simply customized each section the way that I wanted it to. So to make sure that it looked nicely, I deleted parts which I thought were irrelevant, and then clicked on publish, and my landing page was all ready. Now let's talk about the Elementor price. I think price is definitely in Elementor's favor over other page builders. Elementor has a yearly plan, but at this moment it is still, well, put plainly, cheap. You can register to use Elementor on your website for $50, and that's for a whole year. While other page builders require you to pay a monthly subscription fee, like a monthly fee which is usually similar to the Elementor annual fee, based on that, for me, it was a no-brainer. I paid less, got Elementor for a full year, and could use all the premium features to create my websites. So here are my final thoughts about Elementor. It's the most user-friendly and cheapest landing page plugin I have ever used. It's a good way for anyone who is not a programmer to start building their own pages. And I like the possibility of downloading the plugin and using it for free. I think this is generous, because in the free version there are so many click and drag elements that you are still capable of creating professional web pages. If you would like to start using Elementor, then you will find a link to their homepage in the description below. However, if you want to have a look at Elementor in action first, then in the description below I have a link to a tutorial in which I actually show you how to go from a blank canvas to a fully working landing page. So I think that would be useful to check out. I hope you found this content valuable. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified on future video uploads. And thank you for watching. I hope you found this valuable.